Okay, so Zen mode full screen controls whether turning on Zen mode also puts the workbench into full screen mode. So by default this is set to true, which means that if you enable Zen mode, you will full screen the editor. If you disable Zen mode, full screen, and you enable Zen mode, you won't go full screen, right? At least not natively. I mean full screen in terms of having all the space that you can have for your app, but you won't go truly full screen. So when I'm using, whoa, what happened? What the hell just happened? Okay. My theme changed? What the hell? Okay. I don't know what happened. But I'm leaving the settings set to true.